In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive Bitcoin on Coinbase. If you're looking to sell or trade later, or just want a safe place to hold your BTC, this walkthrough will make the process clear and stress-free. Start by opening the Coinbase app on your phone or signing in on the website. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account you want to receive Bitcoin into. Once you're in, head to the transfer area. On mobile, tap the transfer button. On web, you can also go to your portfolio and select Bitcoin from your asset list. This keeps you focused specifically on your BTC wallet, so you don't accidentally choose the wrong asset. Next, choose Receive or Deposit. Coinbase will generate your unique Bitcoin address, and you'll see it displayed as both a string of characters and a QR code. Before you share anything, pause and confirm that the selected network is Bitcoin. This is crucial. Only send BTC to this address. If someone sends another asset, like Bitcoin Cash, or uses the wrong network, the funds won't arrive and can be permanently lost. Taking a few seconds to double check here can save you from a costly mistake. Around this point, if you need the app or prefer the website, you'll find the official download link and the Coinbase website link right at the top of the description for quick access. When you're ready, copy the address and share it with the sender, or have them scan the QR code directly from your screen if you're together. A helpful tip: when sharing the address, confirm the first and last few characters with the sender to ensure it wasn't altered by a typo or paste error. After it's sent, remember that Bitcoin transactions aren't instant. Your funds will show up once the network confirms the transaction. This typically takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network activity. There's no fee to receive crypto on Coinbase, but the sender will pay the standard Bitcoin network fee. If you're a new user, make sure your identity verification is fully completed, as incomplete verification can delay incoming transfers from showing up properly. One more time-saving option: if the sender is also using Coinbase, they can send BTC to your associated email address for free and instantly within the platform. It's still Bitcoin, just routed through Coinbase's internal system for speed. That's all you need to do. Open Coinbase, navigate to Bitcoin, generate your receive address, verify the Bitcoin network, and share the address or QR code. Thanks for watching.